Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable Incognito mode in the four most popular web browsers in your Xiaomi 13 Lite. So, we're gonna start from the Firefox. In this web browser, if you have this welcoming screen, just click here. That's it. If you have any tab opened before, click on the tab icon and choose Zero Mask. Then tap on the plus, and that's it. Now the Microsoft Edge. In this web browser, click here on the tab icon in private, and at the tab by this little plus, you are in private mode. Opera, click on the taskbar icon, switch to the private, add a tab. Simple. And the last one, Google Chrome, click here on this three dot icon or arrow icon, choose New Incognito tab, and now your history, cookies, files, completed forms, or any words of the keyboard will be not saved. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.